My name's Deborah Cook. I'm an intensive care physician at St. Joseph's Hospital in Hamilton, professor of medicine and epidemiology at McMaster University. For the last 30 years or so, I've been devoted to trying to understand and improve the processes of care and the outcomes for critically ill adults here in Canada and abroad. We've been studying how to use optimally basic and advanced life supports and figuring out how to prevent complications of critical illness. A lot of times people come into the intensive care unit with one problem and they may develop 5 or 6 additional problems. We're always trying to mitigate those and hasten recovery. I'm incredibly humbled by this honor and only receive it on behalf of all my colleagues who work at the bedside. And we've worked together from coast to coast since the early days. Canada was an incredible canvas for critical care years ago. Our culture was one of curiosity, and together we designed and implemented and completed patient-centered projects that had a big impact in forming practice or changing practice. So this honor is really for our entire community of critical care here in Canada. My brother and I were blessed with amazing parents who fostered conversation at the dinner table, encouraged curiosity, and wanted to instill some sense of making a difference in the world. My partner has been an incredible rock and a source of inspiration, particularly over recent pandemic years. And I'm so grateful to my friends, my work family for helping to make sure that I stay as well-rounded as possible and remember to laugh and dance and have fun. Try not to take life too seriously all of the time.